Hi guys, welcome to Step-by-Step PowerPoint. We are diving into the exciting world of slide zoom in PowerPoint. Get ready to create presentation with this powerful feature. Let's get started. At the first step of this video, we want to make the cover and the two slide of this PowerPoint. And now in the first page, we want to introduce our actor and actress in this movie, Barbie. I insert my main picture of the two actor and actress of this movie, so I put it in the right side that I want. For make this page cooler, I go to the format pictures, and here in the line I choose solid line and sketch line. I choose this sketch and change its width and also change its color. I change it to this color and it's the size of this sketch. Now I want to add the two pictures from this actor and actress. I add these two pictures to my main page of presentation. Then I want to change some effects on it. I choose this shape for it and I change its line. I choose this and I remove this outline. For making it cooler, I want to draw a circle around these pictures. Go to Insert, Shape. I choose this circle. I choose this frame for these two pictures. Now I want to add Barbie's logo to my cover. Our main page is ready. Go to the next slide. Add blank page. Then I insert the background it's my favorite. I add this background. Duplicate these slides. In these two slides, I want to add the name of this actor and actress and the other pictures from them. For second and third slide, I add the name of this actress and her pictures and name of his actor and his pictures. So I want to add animations for make them cooler. Go to the second slide, select for example your text. Go to the animations tab and choose the animations that is your favorite. For example, I choose this animations and change the direction of that. For the picture, I choose these animations and I do it for the next slide. Again, in the tab animation, go to the animation pane and change the things that is needed for this animation. For example, in this slide, in the animation pane, select the text box animation, go to the more and start it with previous. Click on this. And for animation of these pictures, go to the more and click start after previous and change the duration of this animation. For example, I put it in 1 second. And do this changes for other slides again. Let's see our slides again. It's our first slide, it's our second slide, and it's our third slide. This part, I want to say you how to use slide zoom in your presentation. Let's say in this step, I want by clicking on these pictures, I want to go to their slide. For example, I want to click on the Margot Robbie pictures and then I want to see the second slide. If I click on the Ryan Gosling pictures, I want to go to the third slide. For using a slide zoom, go to the tab Insert and click on Zoom, Slide Zoom. In this window, you add the slides that you want to be there after clicking on your picture. For example, I want to go to the slide 2 and 3 after selecting on the picture of Margot Robbie and Ryan Gosling. So I insert these pictures. As you see, we have these two slides on the main page. So I put them in their pictures. Don't need this completely in slides, so I want to change these pictures. Go to the tab Zoom and change the image. I changed the image to the Margot. I delete these pictures and put these pictures, that is the slide zooms, here. Now let's see what's happened. Go to the slideshow and click on the Margot Robbie's pictures. By clicking on Margot Robbie's picture, you go to the second slide and click again. By clicking again on your mouse, you go to the Ryan Gosling's slides. So, if you want, go to the Margot Robbie's slide and then come back to the main slide, and after that again select on Ken's picture and go to the third slide. You should do this. Select on the pictures, go to the zoom and click under return to zoom. And if you want to return to the main page after zooming on the Ryan Gosling pictures, click in these pictures again and click to return to zoom. Let's see what happens. Go to the slideshow again, click on Margot Robbie's. You're in the second slide. Click again. You're in the main slide. Click on the Ryan Gosling pictures. You are in these slides. Again, click. You are in the main slide. Another point for you. If you rotate your slide zoom pictures, for example this one, and put them in a new angles, go to the slideshow. If you click on these pictures, you have a rotation. For example, I click on Ken's picture. Your main page has a rotation, and then go to your third, for example, slide. In this video, you'll learn how to make a great cover for your presentation, and then you'll learn what is a slide zoom and how it works. And for another point, you'll learn what happens if you rotate your pictures in the slide zoom mode. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel and like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot!